As a photo booth owner, offering a drop-off contract to your clients can provide several benefits for both you and them. First and foremost, a drop-off contract means that you can set up and take down the photo booth for your clients, saving them the time and effort of doing it themselves. This can be especially appealing to clients who are planning large events and have a lot on their plate already. In addition to the convenience factor, a drop-off contract also ensures that the photo booth is properly installed and maintained. This means that you can rest assured that the booth will be in good working order for the duration of the event, and that any technical issues or malfunctions will be handled by you. It's important to note that as the photo booth owner, you are responsible for any damage to the booth while it is in your possession. This means that if the booth is damaged during transport or setup, you are liable for the cost of repairing or replacing it. However, if you have a drop-off contract in place, you can typically include language that transfers this liability to the client while the booth is in their possession. This can help protect you from any unexpected costs and ensure that you are not held responsible for any damage that occurs during the event. Overall, a photo booth drop-off contract can be a valuable offering for your clients, providing them with peace of mind and allowing them to focus on creating a memorable and enjoyable experience for their guests. So consider offering drop-off contracts as an option for your photo booth rental services. Download your photo booth contract using link in description.